that you need to understand who your ideal customer is, and do the work to identify who that is, so who your avatar is so that your mindset develops along with your confidence to increase your labour rate. So
when you know what your customer is, you don't have that fear, because you're like, oh, if we're too expensive, that's okay. We're not, you're not for us and we're not for you if you're not going to pay that amount.
Our ideal customer and our customers, we've been in business 21 years and we've still got people that were coming in the first year.
The unintended consequence or benefit, if you like, of increasing your labour is the people that are essentially price shopping you without knowing. Go and find someone else that they can hassle. And Chris, I love.
Rachael got on a Voxer message to me and said, "Hey Ange, would you like an extra 100,000 on the bottom line each year?" Now, who's going to say no to that? So, of course, what do you have in mind? Because usually Rachael's got a great idea behind a one-liner like that. And the reply was, "Well, put your labour rate up. Get in a mechanic desk this afternoon and change it. Send me a screenshot, do it now, and all will be done." So I hesitantly did it, and we had our record month ever in March.